Today it's Thursday, September 12, 2024. E63. Let's see the kilometers. $198. 1 second to focus this stupid thing. Oh, come on. 198,987. That means in total we make 984 kilometers. It was 3. Hey, Omar, take it easy, buddy. Go near to him and talk to him. Don't scream. 980 kilometers. Now it's the time. Yes. Now it's the time to open all the covers down to see how it looks like the car, and make an oil change. Engine oil filter. Right. What the fuck is that? Ah, it's okay. Nothing. We have also in the background Omar screaming. Yay! All right. The car is hot. Now it came. All right. It's still hot. Let's make it up. Open the covers. I don't want to be so hot when you drain the oil, but not also completely cold. Something to don't burn your hands if it falls on you at least. We're gonna blow with a little bit air because it has a little bit dust. Yeah, but not now. A little bit of brake cleaner when it cools a little bit down. A little bit of brake cleaner, a little bit with air. So when we open the oil filter or the oil cap, to don't be. Now I can blow a little bit to open to see inside. 1 second. All right. Nice. Nice and beautiful. And it smells good. Alright, let's close now back again. Keep it there. Let's lift it up. Yeah, I'm gonna pause it. 1 second, it's gonna be up. Now, car up. Nice. Hi there. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, the rear one's the old one. The guys that didn't wash it. The front one's the new one. Alright, okay. It is what it is. Then we need to drain the oil. Alright. Yeah, looking good, looking good, looking good. Looking nice. Alright, let's drain the oil to see how does it look like the oil. Covers down, okay. Little bit more gonna fall down. This is the bolt for this to secure it in place. Alright, okay. Be careful because hot, don't burn your hands, Okay. I'm gonna pause it until it opens. No, because too much high, you see. Let's make the car a little bit more down and then to open it. Okay, alright, stop there. Now. Oh boy. Just a second to relocate this. Shit. Alright. Because we're gonna go far away. Hold this one. I just want to put it on the stream of the oil. You can give to me back this tool, okay? Hot oil. Come on. Okay, nice. No, don't touch it. Leave it. Don't touch. Give me the tool that I give you. Give me. Nice. Smells nice. Looks nice. They're looking good. Now it comes out the ARP assembly grease. It comes the Lucas grease, assembly grease, and the high viscosity lubricant. not going out. No, it's not going out. Alright, let's finish with that and then we're gonna make it down to... We didn't open the oil filter. No, it's okay, it's fine. It's okay. I forget to mention another one thing. The owner, he changed the carrier back. It's an LSD. It's a LSD. So we are okay, sir? Alright, land it, make it down to open the oil filter. Thank you, sir. Now, one white sticker to put the filter on. Let's open it to see. Yeah, put the rag here to don't make a mess. Yeah. Like that, yes. All right. One second. Just open it and leave it down there. Nice. Lovely. Beautiful. Looking good. Yeah, looking good. Nice. Nice. Ah, nice. Does have nothing. No glitter, no shiny things, no nothing. I mean, you can expect. You see how I'm washing it. I'm checking also with the camera. I'm blowing with air, and I'm getting also brake cleaner. And I'm doing it again and again and again to be sure. There is some cases that you might find one very, very small, tiny silver piece that might be from the machining of the block. But not in this case. Okay. So, where's the new oil filter? You didn't brought? 157. The part number is 278. Yes. Yeah, the part number is starting from 278. Yeah, standing by for the filter. To put on, to close it, to be happy. New oil filter going back in place. Let's torque it down. Done with the oil filter. That's the new dipstick with the new o-ring, and it's a little bit tight. Keep it actually there. All right. Oil, funnel. Let's dump it. We have also the good stuff. And what I'm gonna do, because I don't want, if we spill it out, I don't want through this hole to go to the cylinder head. We're gonna keep this out. I'm gonna put a rag around, then we're gonna put it in. Let's have a look now. Little bit more than maximum. Come on, focus, you stupid thing. Come on. A little bit more than maximum. Why? Because it's already hot. It's warm. So if you check it again while the engine's cold, you're gonna be spot on. All right?
Also, it goes both ways. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. It's the same. It's symmetrical. You can put it like this or like that, or other way around. Let me go there. Now we have fill it up with methanol 70-30. Okay, there you go. Methanol done, oil change done, battery charger now done. Let's tune it, log it, and start from there. And we are logging the car to see what's gonna happen. I have already adjusted the methanol. We already filled up the methanol. All right. Obviously, it's not working that gauge over there because we have connected OBD down there. Okay. Let's see. This is why this happened. Because
We never use the methanol.
yes, we didn't use the second stage of the methanol. You know, there is a torque limitation. It's cutting the boost because we haven't tuned the transmission. Now we're gonna tune also the transmission.
Okay.
And I just also the methanol because what I did, we was tuning before the 177, you know, and I'm gonna start spraying at 21, 22 psi. And I put it, also this one 21, 22 psi. The thing is that that's how much we are asking to make a boost. So it was on the limit. You know my point?
Wasn't enough,
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna finalize the transmission tune.
yeah.
All right. We're gonna leave it to cool a little bit down until the tuner he finalizes the tune. We're going again for log. You put the laptop on charge. You have a draggy?
Yeah, the
Okay. So before we blend any ethanol or something,
battery's dead.
which one? On the laptop? On the draggy? Oh, for fuck's sake.
Yeah, we'll put one on charge, it's fine.
Okay. All
It's
right.
probably gonna heat up sitting here more though.
All right. We will gonna see. At least to see what's doing. Let us say, you know, with the normal petrol and with methanol, you know. Methanol. Without before we start blending. You have the application for this one to see how much ethanol content has the petrol? Ah, nice. All right. So I'm stopping the video here. The next video is gonna be the results. Now I don't know. You're gonna go in a dyno to make a dyno?
Yeah, not today.
Okay. All right. When we're gonna go to the dyno, we're gonna make a video for the dyno and for the drag time, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Lovely.
Why not?
You make ignition on. Why?
Wait,
What do you want? Ah, you want to connect on
E4
the
right now.
ethanol content? Ah, yeah. Okay.
E4, E5, fuel temperature.
Yeah, it's normal. Nice. Nice that you have that. Lovely. Fine. That's how it comes from a petrol station. We didn't put nothing.
Yeah, but some of them here you'll fill up, it'll say E0. So it depends.
Sometimes, yeah,
It depends where you fill
All
up.
right. All right. All
Or
right.
depends which day you fill up.
Okay. Okay. We're gonna go slowly
Ignition off, yeah.
to see how we're gonna compensate also the ECU about that. To see, let us say, at which point, and then you're gonna start coming. We're gonna have an issue.
The tune can compensate up to 30%.
Up to 30% ethanol.
Yes. We don't need to make any changes up to 30%.
Okay. We're gonna
If you
find
want to
out.
go more, you need to make another tune.
Yeah, we're gonna find out. If up to 30% you don't have to change the file or to change the tune, we are lucky, we are happy. We're gonna see, we're gonna find out. Later on, I'm gonna put on the video. That's it for now. Thank you very much. Over and out. Let me have a look that everything is fine and we move on. Right? You want to add something? I'm stopping. Thank you.